Alright, so if you install LEDs inside of 93 to 2012 Ford Ranger, you're going to get Hyperflash. But you're probably not going to get it if you turn on your hazards. So, to fix that, you get a EP27 flasher. You go under your dash, you get this. It's gonna be clipped up and over. Let me turn on that. It's gonna be clipped up right there. I already popped mine down. So obviously it's gonna be hanging down. You push in on this clip and slide it out. Obviously it's not gonna be that easy, so I'm gonna move the camera back. You just push in, slide out. Easy as that. Take the new one, align it with those, push that in, and then easy as that. Works like brand new. Just like factory. Obviously, it's a little louder. Could hear it. But still works like normal. Quick and easy tip.